And now let's have a look what actually we're gonna get in the box. Just have a quick look of the actual box. SC8 USB audio mixer for PC and PlayStation 4. Assuming this is gonna work with the PlayStation 5 as well. And as you can see, just a quick glimpse of the actual box underneath. And now let's unbox it. So we are greeted with a user manual. Always nice to check the user manual because you may miss some functions and some features. Always nice to have this handy book with you. And quick glimpse of the actual device. As you can see, this here the approach is a little bit more different because we have knobs, as you can see. So luckily for me, I have the first generation. Let me show you. So the first generation has a different approach. As you can see, we have sliders, which is nice, but this here we have knobs, which I think is gonna make the device a little bit more professional. Let me know in the comments down below if you wanna see comparison video with these two devices. Let me just take it from the box and just have a look. I do like the design. Old-fashioned Ampligame Fifine. This is made from plastic. We have this here game and chat mix, so you can do that. We didn't have this function in the previous generation. Also, we have the output, mic, aux, and your voice changer, which I think this is something that Fifine is doing. It's like their signature in my opinion. And we have the mic monitors, 48 phantom power. I'm gonna test that with a condenser microphone. We have 7.1 surround sound, EQ. We have custom buttons, A, B, C, D. And we have a strip lights here, which I think this is cool. This is the theme of the Fifine with the RGB. Also, we have something different this year, which is the meters for the gain of the microphone and for your headphones. I think this is great because in the previous generation, we had similar functions, as you can see here. But if I'm honest with you, I think it was great. But this year, this is a little bit much better in my opinion. And now let's have a look the actual ports behind, as you can see. So we have the RGB button here on the side, so you can use that to change some of the RGBs. We have a switch to change from PC and PlayStation 4. I'm not sure why it's not PlayStation 5, but I'm assuming because the PlayStation 4 is still amazing console and still works fine. Obviously, not many people have the PlayStation 5. Also, we have the USB-C port where you connect it to your device. Optical in, this is something new that we didn't have in the previous generation. So with the optical in, you can connect it to your PlayStation 4, 5, which I think it's something different this year. Or you can connect it to your TV. I think this is great. We have headphones, so you can connect your favorite headphones. We have aux in. So the aux in is to bring, for example, to connect to different devices such as tablets, PC, computers, other devices, other mixers. I think is great. Headset, this is different. So you can put your headset here. So if you have a gaming headset, you can connect it directly here. So don't confuse these two ports. This is for headphones if you want to monitor yourself, and this is for gaming headsets. Also, we have a switch for dynamic and condenser microphone. Again, I will test that. So if you have a condenser microphone, make sure to switch that to condenser. If you have a dynamic microphone, switch that to dynamic. Also, we have the XLR port here, which I think it's a combo jack if I'm not wrong. But other than that, this is the layout of the new SC8 from Fifine. Also in the box you're gonna find, let me have a look, we have few accessories. We have Type-C to Type-A adapter to connect your device. So regardless of your machine, you are covered. And we have another cable, aux cable. This is gonna be to connect to, let's say, a phone, to bring audio in, or other devices as well. As you can see, pretty cool aux cable.